Matip ngaya pulih hai na hai. Bagi sendang bayo abreu am, ki em news nam tam, ya kitu ba shomor wai, ko mamia.
Wat mudur li min em temian mea. Nam kum ka ti mayai hapun sai so nap kin chong mea.
Mea kertang complete. Tempat jing em jong ma, incomplete.
Ki khubor ka Batesi TV ka umdi bas nyambat penjaslian. Rupa Premium Meghalaya.
Myntri Rangbah Jalla Conrad ki Sangma. Ulalong uway na pedangki khat khandai ngot banyo yaka National Award 2026 na ka Catholic Bishop Conference of India lani ka Cbci. Kani kadi ka sien ka baningkong ba Myntri Rangbah Conrad ki Sangma bat ki weipan kinyo yaka khusna mahaka 37 Cbci General Body Meeting kabalalong haka khandai tarik urampang arajar apanrio ha St. John Medical College Bengaluru. Ya ka Cbci National Award la ay siya kibriw ki badon benta ban no senyang siya kabalang. Siya ka imlang kasalang. Bad hakari ka bapaw pertay ya ka jing koridor jong ka gospel. Bad no ya ki senyang bakongsan na kabenta ka burom briyo. Ka hok ka jing nang jing start. Ka jinglong nong yalam. Bad ka jing penuan dor thamay. Ha kani ka jialang. La sakilang do Myntri ka Sorkar Karnataka. Ubakmi ya katanat energy u KJ George ki bishops na kalangkari India ki nong yalam balang ki nong sya khot sobha bat ki nong mikman na ki kinhun bapher.
We got an opportunity to also serve the people. Our youngsters who are out here, I want to tell you that you are the future. A state like mine has 50% of the people who are younger than the age of 20. 50%. Younger than the age of 20. It is very important for us to shape the youth. I tell people that Meghalaya and India's greatest asset is the youth, and Meghalaya's and India's greatest challenge is the youth. It depends on how we nurture them. If we nurture them well, they are the most constructive force, and if we let them go astray, they are the most destructive